Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with the new additions to each of our families. This little guy's name is Bandit. He's going to be 8 weeks on Tuesday, which is the 2nd of April. And there he is right there. He's adorable.
Tuesday the 1st of April? No, I guess it is the 2nd. Where are you going? Here, look. Camera's over there, sir.
So here he is.
Look.
He's a little bitty thing.
There you go.
And he's, for those that don't know breeds, he's a little Shih Tzu.
They both are.
They both are. They're brothers. Yep. Yeah. And then
good boy.
Sherry's little guy, have you named him yet? Or are you still choosing names?
I was calling him Henry. So.
Well, if you can think of a name for him, she's not locked into Henry yet, you can go ahead and make some suggestions, and then we'll take it under advisement, and then we'll tell you what she named him. But my little guy, I think he looks like a little bandit with the little mask on his face, so that's what his name is. So I've had him for 2 days now, and she just got hers. So we thought we'd come on and show you our new sewing partners. That's what they are. Okay, that was it. Just a real short clip. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.